Could a simple vitamin hold the key to better cancer treatment outcomes? Emerging research suggests that high-dose vitamin C might enhance traditional therapies, boost immunity, and even target cancer cells. But does it really work, or is it just a myth? Let's uncover the truth behind vitamin C and its role in cancer treatment. In the 1970s, Nobel laureate Linus Pauling and Scottish surgeon Ewan Cameron embarked on a pioneering journey, exploring the potential of vitamin C in cancer treatment. They believed that high doses of this essential nutrient could help fight cancer by boosting the immune system and slowing tumor growth. To test their theory, they administered intravenous vitamin C to terminal cancer patients, people for whom conventional treatments had failed. The results were remarkable. Patients who received high-dose vitamin C reportedly lived months, sometimes even years longer than those who did not. Some even experienced a better quality of life, with reduced pain and increased energy. This sparked immense excitement in the medical community, leading to hopes that vitamin C could revolutionize cancer treatment. But the excitement didn't last long. As more researchers attempted to verify Linus Pauling and Ewan Cameron's findings, a major roadblock emerged. One of the most notable studies, conducted by the Mayo Clinic in the late 1970s and early 1980s, aimed to replicate their results. However, this study used oral vitamin C instead of intravenous IV administration, and the findings were disappointing. Patients who took oral vitamin C showed no significant improvement in survival rates compared to those who didn't. This led to widespread skepticism in the medical community. If vitamin C was truly effective, why didn't these studies show the same promising results? Many experts quickly dismissed the idea, concluding that vitamin C had no real impact on cancer treatment. As a result, funding and interest in the research declined, and the potential of vitamin C as a cancer therapy was largely forgotten. However, what many failed to realize at the time was that how vitamin C is delivered into the body matters. When taken orally, vitamin C levels in the blood are tightly controlled by the intestines, making it difficult to reach the high concentrations needed to impact cancer cells. But when given intravenously, vitamin C bypasses the digestive system and can reach much higher levels in the bloodstream, potentially creating an environment that is toxic to cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. This misunderstanding caused decades of lost research opportunities. It wasn't until years later that scientists revisited the idea, this time focusing on intravenous vitamin C, opening the door to new possibilities in cancer treatment. As this new understanding of vitamin C's potential in cancer treatment gained traction, the focus shifted toward testing its clinical benefits in combination with conventional therapies. Decades after the initial studies sparked both hope and skepticism, scientists began revisiting the potential of vitamin C in cancer treatment, this time with a fresh perspective. Researchers shifted their focus to intravenous vitamin C administration, understanding that the method of delivery could be a critical factor in achieving the desired therapeutic effects. Unlike oral vitamin C, which is absorbed through the digestive system and has limited bioavailability, IV vitamin C allows the body to receive much higher concentrations of the nutrient directly into the bloodstream. This method bypasses the body's natural limitations on vitamin C absorption, enabling levels to reach far higher than what could ever be achieved through oral supplements. As a result, the blood concentrations of vitamin C with IV administration can be up to 100 times higher than those attainable by oral intake. What followed was a wave of laboratory studies and clinical trials that reignited interest in vitamin C's potential role in cancer therapy. One key discovery was that these high levels of vitamin C can selectively target cancer cells without causing damage to normal and healthy cells. Researchers found that vitamin C, at these elevated concentrations, can produce hydrogen peroxide, a substance toxic to many types of cancer cells. This mechanism of action intrigued researchers and brought new hope that high-dose IV vitamin C could serve as a complementary therapy alongside traditional cancer treatments like chemotherapy and radiation. Laboratory findings also suggested that vitamin C could help reduce inflammation, support the immune system, and even combat chemotherapy side effects. This renewed understanding of vitamin C's potential fueled further investigations into its role in cancer care. As clinical studies began to explore the role of high-dose intravenous vitamin C in cancer care, researchers focused on its potential to enhance the quality of life. These studies aimed to determine if high-dose vitamin C could not only target cancer cells, but also improve the overall quality of life for patients undergoing aggressive therapies like chemotherapy and radiation. One of the most notable findings from these studies is that many patients reported feeling better and more energized while receiving high-dose IV vitamin C. Chemotherapy, although effective in shrinking tumors, often brings about debilitating side effects, such as fatigue, nausea, and weakness. For cancer patients already facing the physical and emotional toll of their illness, these side effects can be overwhelming. However, several trials indicated that the addition of vitamin C reduced chemotherapy-related fatigue and provided a boost in energy levels. Patients described feeling less drained and more capable of going about their daily activities, which significantly improved their overall well-being. Moreover, vitamin C's ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress was another key benefit. By protecting healthy cells from the collateral damage of chemotherapy, it allowed patients to better tolerate treatment and experience fewer complications. One of the most exciting breakthroughs in recent years came from a Phase 2 trial conducted at the University of Iowa. In this trial, researchers explored the effects of high-dose IV vitamin C in combination with chemotherapy for patients with advanced pancreatic cancer, a type of cancer notoriously difficult to treat. The results were nothing short of promising. Patients who received the combination therapy saw their survival time double, from a median of 8 months to a remarkable 16 months. For patients with pancreatic cancer, whose prognosis is often grim, this outcome represents a significant improvement. Pancreatic cancer is known for its aggressive nature and resistance to traditional treatments, so the ability to extend survival by even a few months is a major victory. The findings of this study have ignited further interest in high-dose vitamin C as a potential adjunct to chemotherapy, especially in cancers where standard treatments often fall short. However, it's important to note that while the results are promising, they are still considered preliminary. The study sample size was small, and more rigorous clinical trials are needed to confirm these findings and understand the full range of potential benefits. Researchers are particularly interested in understanding the optimal dosage of vitamin C, how it interacts with different types of chemotherapy, and how it can be tailored to the unique needs of individual patients. While these early results offer hope, they also highlight the need for further validation to ensure that high-dose IV vitamin C can be safely and effectively used in conjunction with chemotherapy and other cancer treatments. To understand how vitamin C may help in cancer treatment, it's important to dive into the mechanism behind its effects. Recent research has revealed that vitamin C's therapeutic action is linked to its ability to produce hydrogen peroxide at elevated concentrations in the bloodstream. This process occurs when vitamin C undergoes chemical reactions in the body, specifically when it interacts with metal ions such as copper and iron. At high levels, vitamin C can be converted into hydrogen peroxide, a substance that is toxic to cells. While hydrogen peroxide is generally harmful to the body in normal conditions, cancer cells are particularly vulnerable to it. The reason lies in the fact that cancer cells often have impaired mechanisms for dealing with oxidative stress, making them less capable of breaking down hydrogen peroxide compared to normal cells. In contrast, healthy cells are equipped with protective enzymes that help them neutralize oxidative stress and break down hydrogen peroxide before it can cause significant damage. This could offer a novel and less harmful alternative to conventional cancer therapies, which often involve more aggressive treatments that can damage healthy cells. Understanding this mechanism is key to developing more effective and personalized cancer therapies. While the potential benefits of high-dose IV vitamin C in cancer therapy are exciting, it's crucial to proceed with caution. Despite promising laboratory and clinical findings, high-dose IV vitamin C is not yet recognized as a standard cancer treatment. Many of the studies conducted so far are still in the early stages, and the long-term effects of high-dose vitamin C are not yet fully understood. Patients considering vitamin C therapy should always consult with their healthcare providers before incorporating it into their treatment plans. It's important to ensure that it does not interfere with other ongoing treatments or cause adverse reactions. More research is needed to confirm the efficacy and safety of high-dose vitamin C, particularly in combination with chemotherapy or other cancer therapies. Until then, it should be viewed as an experimental therapy rather than a proven treatment option. From initial excitement and groundbreaking discoveries to skepticism and renewed interest, the story of vitamin C in cancer therapy highlights the critical importance of rigorous, evidence-based studies in understanding the complexities of cancer treatment. It underscores that medical breakthroughs often don't follow a straight path, requiring years of experimentation, refinement, and validation. As research continues, the hope is that high-dose intravenous vitamin C will play a significant role in enhancing cancer treatment, particularly as a complementary therapy to standard methods. The road ahead is filled with possibilities, and the journey of vitamin C in cancer treatment is far from over. With ongoing scientific exploration, we move closer to developing more personalized, effective, and less harmful cancer therapies. As always, it's important for patients to stay informed, consult with their healthcare providers, and prioritize evidence-based treatments while we await future breakthroughs. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. For more updates on the latest in health and wellness, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.